Hypercementosis is an abnormal thickening of the cementum. It may be diffused or circumscribed. It may affect all teeth of the dentition, be confined to a single tooth, or even affect only the parts of the tooth. This abnormal thickening of cementum is not only stressed to a particular part or a single tooth, but it can be seen in different multiple teeth. But mostly it is seen that they are localized to a particular area which is barely in use. So the teeth which are least used initiates the formation of cementum, excessive cementum the most, and this will result in hypercementosis. Localized hypercementosis can also be observed in the area where the periapical inflammation, which is chronic form, is seen. This excessive deposition is circumscribed and surround the root like a cuff. This thickening of the cementum is observed mostly at the thickest form at the apex of all the teeth and in the furcation area of multi-rooted teeth than on any other part of the root. This thickening is found in embedded and in newly erupted teeth also. In some cases, an irregular overgrowth of cementum can be found with spike-like extension and calcification of Sharpey's fiber and accompanied by numerous cementicles. This type of hypercementosis can occasionally be observed on many teeth of the same dentition and is at least in some cases the sequel of injuries to the cementum. The cemental hyperplasia can reach almost threefold to the range of 200 to 215 micrometer thickness with the progression of the age. Generalized thickening is seen in the Paget's disease. Localized form can be seen in benign cementoblastoma, fluoride cementoosseous dysplasia, acromegaly, calcinosis, and some form of arthritis. Hypoplasia or aplasia of cementum is rare occurrence and it is associated with hypophosphatasia. So that was all about the cementosis, hypercementosis, and we will be discussing about different aspects of cementum in later videos.